may kita na yung
And the first party
balat.
to talk, to discuss, and to aspire, you guys. Being a student leader is not easy. Because I've been a student leader, the president of Central Student Council. You would go to sacrifice a lot. It's a proper time management. Because being a student leader, you are a student leader also, of course? Okay, so you must not think of yourself, but for the common good. You are there to serve the studentry, not to be served. Is that clear, guys? And as a student leader, you should be the role model of the studentry. In all aspects, being a student. Academic, curricular, extracurricular.
Saglit lang naman, di ko makita eh.
Sumpo, 1,000.
Let's hear from the first party we are the supporters of the Moto V.
Tahimik ko. Wala sila.
Kasi ang yung sa Richard,
Welcome, Mr. Marcos Reyes. Please, take the floor. The stage na lang, sa stage tayo. Take the stage now. Alam, minus 5 minutes. Minus 10 minutes. Minus 15 minutes. Okay?